Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
As you create tasks in Outlook, you often see the due date of the task appear by default. This lesson shows you how to add a few columns of information to your task views in Outlook to make it easy to manage tasks and their reminders. If you find you constantly have a barrage of reminders appearing in Outlook, showing the Reminder Time column in the Tasks view lets you easily view and change the time at which to be reminded to complete the tasks, so you won't need to open and edit each task individually. To add a Reminder Time column to your task view in Outlook, right-click anywhere in the column headings, and then choose the Field Chooser command from the pop-up menu that appears. Outlook then opens the Field Chooser dialog box, which shows a listing of all the available columns you can add to your current view. Click and drag the Reminder Time column out of the Field Chooser dialog box, and then drop it into your current view to add that column. Of course, you can also add any other fields you feel would help you organize your tasks while the Field Chooser is open. After adding columns to the view, close the Field Chooser dialog box. To then edit the reminder time of a task in the task view, make the editing changes in the Reminder Time column in the task view. This lets you change the value without having to individually edit the tasks or wait until the Reminders window appears in Outlook.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.